Do you want to restore your old images and colorize them? But at what cost? For free, right? If your answer is yes, then I am here for you. Today I am going to show you how you can use AI and restore your old images and colorize them. So let's get started. Before starting the tutorial, you will require three things. First, a Gmail account. Second, you have to sign up for Google Gemini. And third, your own image which you want to restore. So first of all, I am assuming that you all have Gmail account. You simply have to go to gemini.google.com and then you will land up here. If you have not signed up yet, you can simply sign up, or you can even simply search Gemini here and go to the first link and it will show you the sign up page. After doing this step, you will have to make sure that 2.5 flash is selected because Google's new model Nano Banana is available only in this model. So 2.5 flash is necessary for this. And the third thing is your image. Right now for this tutorial, I'm going to use from the Google. So we have this image. I'm going to copy it and going to paste it here. Then you have to write this prompt. Restore this old image into high resolution, or you can simply write restore this into high resolution, and then I will write and colorize it. After writing the prompt, you have to submit it, and I'm going to click here and wait for a second. Sometimes it takes longer, so you have to wait and watch. So here's saying generating image. So let's see the results. Ta-da! So here we have the image, the old and the original one, and here is the result of the after. So I'm going to use another image to show you more its capabilities. So let's try another image which is much older. So let's try this one. I'm going to copy it and paste it here, and then I'm going to copy this prompt and paste it here. I'm going to submit. It will take some time because here it's still loading. When this loading is completed, you will have the chance to do it. So I'm going to cut this part. So now I'm going to start with this one. Let's see what are the results. I'm hoping for the best because I have tried this on many different images, but the results were outstanding. So let's see how it goes. Generating images, here's your restored and colorized version. So this is so amazing, guys. Look at this. And this was not even the high resolution one. So look at the results. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please consider subscribing. And wait, I have an announcement. I am going to launch my AI course very soon. It will be full-fledged A to Z from beginner to advanced, covering the basics, the prompting and the results, and a practical walkthrough of different tools. So if you are interested, consider subscribing. I will see you in the next one.